Okay, this is the arithmetic progression part 2. Okay, in part 1 actually I introduced two formula already. So I just do a little bit revision over here. So in the part 1 I introduced the formula for Tn. Tn means the which term you want to find, right? Like if you want to find the 10th term will be T10. T10 means like cơ sập blue. Okay, cơ sập blue. Okay, so Tn, the formula is what? Is A plus n minus 1 multiple d. Okay, mean you have to do the bracket first and then you multiply d. Okay, so and then you always need to know the n means the which term you want to find. If he tell you this is the fourth term, means T4. If he tell you this is the third term, means T3. So n is equal to 3. Okay, this one you must very familiar with the formula, and A is the first term, D is the difference. Okay, and then we also learned in last video what's the meaning for first Sn. So I'll just repeat. Sn will mean sum of the first. Okay, first is very important keyword over here. First n term. Mean we do not know which term. Okay, sum of the first n term. Okay, this is the meaning for m. So must sum from the first term. So it's, let's say I got S5, mean I sum from the first term, second term, third term, fourth term until the fifth term, mean S5. Okay, we cannot sum on the middle one. Sum on the middle one, you have to. Okay, for example, I just give some example, make you very clear about this one. Okay, just give some example. Let's say I got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay, when I say S3 means sum of the first three term. Mean sum from the first three term is plus the A is T1, T2 and T3. Mean I plus these three together, we call it S3. Okay, if let's say you want to plus the last three term. Okay, if you want to plus the last three term, okay, you can do so if you know about this term. So let's say you have to change 7 become A. If you want to plus, you assume this is the first term, this is the second term, and this is the third term. You can do so, but then you have to change the 7 become A. Okay, but then most of the time you do not know about this term. Okay, this one I think I will explain more in the third video, means the part 3 one. Okay, part 2 I will explain another few example which is deeper one, and go until the part 3 I will discuss on the past year question. Okay, anyway, okay, don't confuse you first. Okay, so maybe you don't learn about this one first. Okay, means Sn is sum of the first n term. Must start from the first term. This is keyword over here. Okay, so the formula for Sn is what? Sn is equal to n over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 multiple d. Okay, A is the first term, n is the sum of the number. Okay, means depend what is the n is over here. Of course, actually for Sn, you will have another formula, which is, okay, this formula actually is totally same with this formula. The only difference is sometimes the question you didn't have the difference, you didn't have D. Mean you didn't have D, you cannot use this formula because you do not have D. Then you can use this formula. Okay, you very familiar with n. Okay, n is like sum of how many terms they want, which is n. A you know also, A is the first term. So L over here is, okay, so I just explain this one. Actually this one you very seldom have chance to use about this one. However, I need to explain. L in here is the last term. Mean in that question, if he give you the first term and last term, and then he asks you sum of the sum all the term from the first term sum until the last term, and then okay, the issue is you must have the last term. Mean maybe you know about the last term is 200 something, and then first term is 2. Means you just sum from 2 until 200. Maybe the last term is 200 lah. So just first term is 2, so just 2 plus 200, and then you can use this formula without know about the difference. Okay, but then I go through so many past year questions, you have very little chance to use about this formula. So for me, this formula is more important. But then I worry, just suddenly your exam come out and then it didn't give you the difference, and then it straight away give you the last term and first term, and then you do not know how to apply in this formula because you do not have difference. Then you can use this formula. Okay, just apply in. Okay. Then we go to some question. Okay, over here. Okay. What is so different about this question is you do not have the first term. See, he didn't give you A. He said the in front is ... Means the 81 we do not know what is this term. Okay, just he gives you this is 3 of the consecutive term on the middle. Mean maybe this one can be T4, T5, T6, or this one is T100, T101, T102. We do not know. Okay, so now what they want to find first? They want to find x first. Okay, want to find x. They want to find x means okay. In order to find x means okay. In order to find this term, we have to find the difference. Because I know I use x minus 81, I can get the d. Correct or not? Because in last video actually I mentioned about this formula, d will equal to tn plus 1 minus tn. Means the next term minus the previous term. Means x minus 81, I can get d. And then of course I also can use 99 minus x. I can get d also. So do you see over here, if I do the comparison, I can easily get x. Okay, so sometimes the term on the middle you have to find using this method. Okay, so in order to get x and d, so I know d actually is equal to x minus 81. First equation I got. And then second equation I got is d actually also same with 99 minus x. Correct or not? Because I say as long as this one is the arithmetic progression, the d must be constant. Means all of the d must be the same value. Okay, this one is very important. Therefore, I can substitute 1 into 2. I substitute 1 into 2 means I can substitute d into d. Substitute d into the d means I get x minus 81 will equal to 99 minus x. Okay, then I will got 2x will equal to, move over here is 180. So x will equal to 90. Okay, therefore I know x over here, the value for x is 90. Okay, after I got x, I can get d. I simply substitute x, go back to either one. Let's say the first one, d will equal to 90 minus 81, which is 9. See? So you have to know in order to solve x, at the same time can help you to solve d. Because now d and x both also is 2 unknown. 2 unknown, you must have 2 equations, and then you can use the simultaneous. To solve these 2 equations, you can give you 2 unknown. Like let's say you got 3 unknown, you need 3 equations to solve. Okay, then now I got d. Okay, so and then he gives you one information. He said given that the 10th term is 99, means it gives you the 99 actually is T10. It's the 10th term, means it's the T10 is the 99. Then he asks you to find A. Okay, since I know T10 equal to 99, then it will be very simple for me to to solve this question. So I just move this one around. Okay, so I know T10 will equal to 99. T10, sorry. So here I know n equal to 10. Okay, and then I have d. D is 9. D is 9. T10 equal to 99 and D, so we can find A easily by substitute the formula. I just repeat, Tn will equal to A plus n minus 1 multiple D. So Tn, okay, so T10 will equal to A we want to find plus n is 10. 10 minus 1 multiple D is 9. So T10, the value is given is 99. So 99 will equal to A plus n minus 1, we got 9. 9 minus 9 multiple 9, we got 81. Okay, plus A plus 81. Therefore, A will equal to 81 and 99 minus 81. Therefore, the first term will going to be 18. Okay, therefore, actually, we can know A is 18. So, very important, when he tell you the 10th term is 99, you must be able to straight away get it. This is mean T10 is 99. When you know T10 is 99, when you see about T you know you have to apply this formula which is T. You cannot put S10. This is different cases. Okay, so T10 means you just substitute T10 equal to A plus 10 minus 1 D. D is 9 because you got D already. Okay, and then you can easily find A. Okay, so we see, okay, go to the next example. Okay, same thing over here. Okay, in this example, okay, let's get some more paper. Okay, in this example, he given that, okay, AP stands for the arithmetic progression. Okay, it's negative 8, negative 3, 2, dot, 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 and then the last term over here is 82. This one he gives you the last term. So he asks you, find sum of the AP. Means he asks you sum of all this arithmetic progression. So over here, we do it one by one first. We know actually 8 is the first term. So this is A. This one is the second term. This is T2. This is the third term. This is T3. And then we do not know which term is this, so I put Tn. Okay, we do not know 62 is which term, so I just put Tn. So over here I know A is equal to negative 8. Okay, D will equal to the next term minus the previous term, which is negative 3 minus negative 8, which is negative 3 plus 8, we got 5. Okay, now we got D, now we got A, we got D. Okay. Okay, now we want to find out which term is this. In order to find out which term is this, so we know Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 multiple D. So in order to find out which term is this, you must have the value of this term, and then you must have at least 2 over here, because here you got 3 unknown ones. So you must have at least 2, A and D. Then only you can find n one. So we know this term is 62, is given. A is given is negative 8 plus n minus 1, we do not know what is n minus 1, but then we know D is equal to 5. So solve this equation, we can get the values of n. So therefore, okay, 62 plus 8 means we got 70 equal to 5 multiple, we got 5n minus 5. 5 multiple for both. Okay, and then I move the negative 5 over there, I will got 75 equal to 5n. So n will equal to 75 divided by 5. 75 divided by 5, you will got 15. Okay, that means n will equal to the 15th term. Mean actually 62, this one is the T15. Mean now we find out 62 actually equal to T15. Okay, after you find out this one, okay, means he asks you sum of all the AP. So sum of all the AP means you have to sum from the first term until the 15th term. So from the first until 15, we can write as 15, because this one is from the first until the 15. So we can write as 15 means sum of the first 15 term. So the formula is what? N divided by 2. N divided by 2. N is 15. Okay, N is 15. 15 divided by 2 plus 2a. 2a, a is negative 8. 2a, okay, plus 2a and then plus n minus 1. N is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. Multiple d. D is 5. Okay, I solve this equation, I can get sum of all the terms. So, sorry, this is not plus. This is multiple. N over 2 multiple 2a plus m minus 1d. This is multiple. Okay, so 15 over 2. Okay, 2a, 2 multiple negative 8, we got negative 16. Plus n minus 1. N is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. 14, 1 multiple d. This one we multiply in, we got 70. Then is 15 divided by 2. Okay, negative 16 plus 70, we will got 54. And then we simplify 1, 27, and then we multiply. Okay, we multiply this one, we will got. Okay, maybe just take calculator. Just wait for a while. Okay, take calculator out. Just 17. 15 multiple 27. You got 405. 405. Okay, mean this is sum from the first term until the 15th term. Okay, still remember just now I introduced another formula. Okay, this one you're using this formula. But then in these cases, we have the first term and we have the last term. What if we try about the new formula, which is this formula? So Sn, okay, so we already know this is called S15 because this the last term over here is the 15 from here we find out. So S15 will equal to 15 over 2. Okay, A is what? A is negative 8 plus L. L is the last term. Last term value is 62. So plus 62. So therefore we have got 15 over 2, negative 8 plus 62, we will got 54. So you see, actually you get back the same thing. So after you simplify, same thing, 27, then you will got 405. Okay, you can use this formula also when you have the last term. Okay, you use this formula when you do not have the last term. Okay, actually both will give you the same answer. Both also correct if you do it in exam. Just depend what information you have. Okay. Okay. Let's see the last example over here. Okay. Just okay. Over here, what information he gave you? He said, given that the arithmetic progression is 14, 22, 30, okay, find the sum of the progression. Okay, sum of the 7th term to 12th term. This is not, you can, okay, even here is 5th term, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Even here you got 6th term, but then you cannot write S6 because this is not sum from the first 6th term. This is from the 7th term until the 12th term. Okay, so let's start to do this one quickly. So we got the first term over here is 14. Okay, A equal to 14. Okay, D will equal to the next term minus the previous term, 22 minus 14. So we will got 22 minus 14, we will got 8. D is equal to 8. Okay, now how to find from the 7th term to the 12th term? Okay, so let's say over here we got, okay, I do it quickly, T1, we got T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8, T9, T10, T11, T12. Okay, now for example, we got 12th term over here. Now what he wants over here, he wants is from the 7th term plus until the 12th term. Okay, they want from the 7th term plus until the 12th term. So what we can do is, we can actually sum of all the 12th term, and then we minus out from the 1st term to the 6th term. Then we can got over here what? Means what? Means I sum of all the 12th term, and then I minus S6. I minus sum of the 6th term over here. T1 plus until T6 what? Means sum of the 6th term. Okay, mean first I sum all the 12th term, and then I minus the in front one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then I can get from 7 to 12. You see the big idea? Okay, if you understand about this one, then it should be very easy to find. You just substitute all the value you have into it. So let's find S12 first. So S12 will equal to 12 divided by 2 multiple 2a, 214 plus n minus 1 d. N minus 1 is 12 minus 1 is 11, d is 8. So this one I simplified, I got 6 over here. So 6 multiple 2 multiple 14 is 28. This one plus 88. Then yeah, better use calculator. So 28 plus 88. Yeah, and then multiple 6. So it's 696. Okay, and then at the same time we also find sum of the first 6 term, because this one later we have to minus. So same thing, n divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2, 2a, same thing, 2a plus n minus 1, means 6 minus 1 is 5. Multiple d, d same thing is 8. So this one simplified, we got 3. So 3 multiple 28 plus 40. Then I use calculator. This one should be 68. 68 multiple 3. 204. So in order to find from the 7th term, sum of the 7th term to the 12th term, mean from T7 plus until T12, I can use 696 minus 204, which is, so 696 minus 204, which is 492. Okay, mean this 492 is T7 plus T8 plus until T12. Is this one? So this is the way when he want to find the sum of the middle term, means sum of the term on the middle one. Okay, of course, if you really free, maybe you can do it one by one. You calculate out what is T7, T8, T9, T10, T11, and T12, and then you plus all the term. You can still got the answer. If in the exam you just cannot draft out this idea, you can do that. You will get the same answer also. Okay, so thanks for watching the part 2. So I think in the part 3, I'm going to bring in some past year questions on the arithmetic progression. Anyways, thanks for watching.